Look how nice it looks. Just sitting. Wait till you see that bottom. Nice and golden. Before we get to the big reveal, quick overview of the toppings. Tzatziki sauce, harissa sauce, and that Greek chicken. I could not believe how delicious this was. The chicken, the toppings, all working together in unification, bursting with flavor. The harissa, spicy, tzatziki balancing everything out. Listen, this is by far the best thing I've ever made. So easy, so simple. I actually went back.
That's the best thing I've ever made in my life. I'm not gonna hold you. That's the best.
I actually went back and made another one after this video. Delicious.